Makinig Pangasinan!
Few steps away from the grandeur facade of the Provincial Capitol lies a field of trees named after the longest-serving governor of Pangasinan, Aguedo Agbayani. Aguedo Agbayani was born in Pangapisan North and was a carpenter's son. He was elected as a congressman of the 1st District of Pangasinan in 1957.
Park was renamed into Governor's Park to commemorate the remarkable contributions of the past, present, and future governors of Pangasinan toward the achievement of progress and development. This park opens out to a panorama of the Capitol complex and its buildings like the Malong Building and Palaris Building, both of which were named after prominent Pangasinan heroes. The grassy areas around the park serve the visitors who enjoy having picnics and those who simply love to bask in the sun.
Aguedo Agbayani once said, "A leadership that conceives of public office as a trust, not a privilege, as a duty, not as power, as a responsibility, not authority, and as an instrument of service to the people, not for self-aggrandizement."